Assalamualaikum students, I hope all of you are good and safe. This is your teacher Anam Jawad and today we are going to discuss the adverbial phrases. Previously, we have discussed adverbs and adverbial phrases, not in very detail, but we have discussed it. But before moving forward, let us revise and reinforce our concept of adverb and adverbial phrase. First thing, adverb. Now, what is an adverb? In adverb, the word itself has the word verb in it, which means that adverb has some kind of connection with the verb. So, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which describes more about verb, that how, when, where, and why an action happens, how often an action happens. As you can see in the definition, adverbs used to modify a verb, an adverb, or you can say usually describe when, where, how, or why something happens, right? So that was a brief introduction of adverbs. Now let's move forward for the adverbial phrases. Now, when we talk about phrase, as you know, adverb is a single word, right? But when we talk about phrases, so phrases, what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words, right, which has like some kind of words in it, right? Adverb is a single word, but when we talk about adverbial phrases, it's mean that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words there. You cannot say that phrase is a complete sentence. Phrase is a chunk of a sentence. It's a part of a sentence, and we have some different groups of words. We can have preposition in that phrase. We can have an object in that phrase. We can have an article in that phrase, right? Similarly, we can have a noun in that phrase. So different words are used. This is a group of words, but it is not considered as a complete sentence, right? For example, as you can see, adverbial phrase, the definition of adverbial phrase is a group of words that functions as an adverb. So in this example, you can see, we will escape in the morning, right? So if we just cut that part, in the morning, it's not a complete sentence, but it's again not a word only, it's a phrase, because we have preposition in that, we have article in that, right? And similarly we have this adverb morning here, right? Now look at the definition of normal adverb. As you can see here, we will escape later. Same examples are here. We will escape, we will escape. We will escape in the morning. This is a phrase because it's a group of words. But in the second sentence, you can say we will escape later. Escape, verb. When will escape? Later. So the word which is modifying the verb, which is telling us more about verb, that is adverb, right? Similarly, this phrase is also telling us more about the verb, but this, if we talk about the single word, that would be adverb. If we talk about more words, group of words, that would be phrase, that would be adverbial phrase. I hope that this concept is clear to you. Let us move forward for the kinds of adverbs now. Alright, so number one kind of adverb is adverb of manner, right? Manner means how something is done, how we do something, how something can be performed, right? So now look at the examples. Jack will sit silently. I can show you. Here we have here it is. Jack would sit in silence, right? So what is verb here? Sit, right? And how that action will be performed? The action will be performed in silence. Fine. So this is an adverb over here. In the next sentence, Jack will sit quietly. You can see here. In both the examples, sit is the verb, right? And how that action can be performed? काम कैसे हुआ, right? या होगा, या होता है, या हुआ, right? So Jack will sit in silence, Jack will sit quiet. It tells how Jack sat. So in the both sentences, we can see that they have told us that how an action can happen, right? The next one is adverbial phrase of time, right? Where an action happens, when an action happens, how an action happens. Previously we have discussed how an action happens, like we have discussed Jack will sit in silence, right? So काम कैसे होगा? In silence. Now an adverbial phrase of time. Adverbial phrase of time states when something happens or how often it happens. I will do it in a minute. What is verb here? Do. काम होगा. कब होगा? In a minute. Right? Next example. Do not wait for the last judgment. It takes place every day. Takes. How an action happens? It takes place when? Every day. Right? So in adverb of manner, how an action happens? Adverb of time, when an action happens. The next one is adverb of place, right? Where an action happens. How, when, and now where. An adverbial phrase of place states where something happens. I used to work in a fire hydrant factory. You could not park anywhere near the place. What is the verb here? To park. Where? Anywhere near the place. Right? Opera is when a guy gets stabbed in the back and instead of bleeding, he sings. So, get stabbed. Where it is stabbed? In the back. Right? So, where an action happens, that is adverb of place. When an action happens, that is adverb of time. How an action happens, adverb of manner. Right? I am giving you one more example. You are sitting very quietly. Right? So, sitting is the verb and how it happens, how the action happens, कैसे बैठा जाता है? Very quietly, silently. Right? You are sitting in your room. Fine. अब sitting is again verb और आप कहाँ बैठ रहे हैं? You are sitting in the room. So that is adverb of place. काम कहाँ हुआ? Right? You are sitting in the morning. Again, sitting is the word. Sitting is the verb. और काम कब हुआ? In the morning. So that is the description of the kinds of adverb. Now we are going to discuss that how adverbial phrases of place, direction and time can be made, right? The different formats of that we are going to discuss.